we are going to make my second batch of soap ever. This is my first time using some of my master batch lye that I made in my previous video. I'm going to do like all the experts say and pour the lye water slowly down my stick blender. Apparently that's the safe way to do it. And I'm trying so hard to be more safe in my soaping. If you guys watch the master batch, you'll know why. All right, burp my stick blender, and here we go. Ooh, did you see that? Look at all those air bubbles. I didn't burp my stick blender. Oh, silly me. Come out, air bubbles. It's taking a lot longer. Ooh, I think my motor on my cheap stick blender is gonna die soon. All right, I think I've got it at emulsification. So we're gonna go ahead and try this, and if it looks bad, then I will just use the stick blender when I'm doing the color for a little bit. So a lot of people say they put their stick blender in a tub of water. Can you use a stick blender in your colorant after it's been in water, or does that do anything to the lye process? I don't know. Okay, I did get a little bit of soap batter on my face, and it did start to hurt. Okay, we've got our colorant. This soap, so we've got what I hope will be an orangish rock. It's looking rather red, a little bit of white, and a little bit of what I was hoping would be more of an aquamarine. We'll see how the colors change once we've got the soap batter in. So I want 2/3 to be the red, and close to 1/3 to be the blue, and then I just want a little bit to be the white, or maybe we'll do half red. We're going to try and make these look like waterfalls. Guys, soaping is so much harder when you're doing it yourself. Woo. I actually like that one. That one's kind of cool. Okay, so that's going to have to do for that. And let's see if we can do anything. Ooh, that's gotten thick. Thick, 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 thick. So we are just going to dump this all together. Okay, so we're just going to do a bit of a stir in here. Sorry, I was doing that probably off camera. And then we're just going to plop it into these molds and see what we get. Hopefully it won't be too gross. I probably stirred it a little too much. I like that, the shimmer in there from the snowflake mica. All right, we're gonna tap these down and see if we can't do a little swirl. Just to kind of clean them up a little. All right, well, we will just have to see how these bars turn out. Oh, look at that. I totally missed that I had this red stuff over here. That might make for a kind of a fun drizzle. That's it. There we go. We've got these and we've got these. Goodness, soaping's hard. Oh, I better not mess with that anymore. All right, I'm done. Look at all this soda ash. This is crazy. We're not gonna let that stop us though. We're gonna steam these bad boys up and make them look good as new.